damn say. It look like one blood clot. Jet plane. Dawg, look there, bro. Spoiler company, dawg, me say it just look like a fucking jet. Dawg, me say spoiler company, dawg, say, dawg, me say nice, your blood clot. Dawg, Tommy, you want to see Tommy, he just a sail on the road like a, he just a sail on the road like a rasp. I say spoiler company, you know. Spoiler company, man, nice. Hot. Jesus. Wash and clean up it tomorrow. No good. No good. No good on the road, man. I'm wash y'all tomorrow. Jesus.
You have some people who live for themselves. You have some people live for people, for them and their family. You have some people who hustle for have money all in life. And you have some people who just hustle for maintain what they have a go on. I two weird everywhere, bro. You know? I always tell ex-gang, bro. It's the opportunity you wanna give me, bro. I will never ever think to even look back, bro. Right now, bro, every day I get up, bro, I look place. The night time when I sit down and bed, I try to look place. Is this place available? Cause my dream to stop a smoke shop. The next dream is to open my lounge right now. A big old lounge. Where people can come and have some nice food. The girls them in them back and smoke them hookah. Later on we can clear out the restaurant and we can rent it. My dream, like my bigger, like me think the top of a smoke shop, bro. You see me, bro? Me think the top of carpet, bro. Me think the top that one garage floor with the floor like this. I first garage this me have. So you know what? I appreciate this a floor. But you see next garage where I go in, it's gonna be a better floor. I saw me pray in life. So no matter what I do, bro, take step by step and do your thing and build, bro. You understand? Step by step. See now, you see me with a one car garage. My next step is to get a 2. My next step is to get a 3. My next step to get a 4. You know? Next step, business. You know? Yeah, bro. I want to be a role model to my kids, them, bro. To my family, bro. The other day, bro, you feel good, if you know, say, bro, your family can count for you. And just that me I pray right now. You know, so my sister them call me, dog. And my family them call me, and my close friend them. I can help them, bro. Or people who help me, I can turn my back and help them. Now, bro, me then this. You know, if me have to buy one chain around my neck, I'm gonna buy my chain, bro, because I work. I work, I dance, so no give me with no willing money. I no hold no gun on the head. I no hold none on the bank account and tell you no for shoot. I no give me because you no find me entertainment. Or no find me genuine and real. So any idea, bro, it's right to reward yourself sometimes. Nothing wrong with reward yourself. If you feel like you're putting some extra time at your job, reward yourself. You know, sometimes you know, wait for people reward, you know. You have a thing when they call self-love, bro, and self-belief. Reward yourself, bro. Give yourself something, bro. You work hard for this, reward yourself. You wait for people, come and give you everything and treat yourself nice, bro. I am not a person where when I say Rary, I am a person who like chain and ring. So you know my birthday will come out there, bro. I reward myself. Thank you. I reward myself with a new chain. Every time I go number 1, I reward myself with a ring. You know? Remember, you know, before I get my Corvette in the bro, I come live every day for 3 months straight. Come I say, and this more for my Christmas. And I tell you, I never hide it from none of you. I tell you, say I want my Corvette for my Christmas. That's why I appreciate you. Smooth Amir. That's why I appreciate you. Because I could tell you, say I want my Corvette and not on the top shoot for me. But when you tell me every day, say go get it. Go get it, go get it, go get it. That's why I come over here, bro. I appreciate you now. I build a family with bigger than gift. Bigger than gift. How long now with your life? almost 3 hours. We build a family where we can reason with, bro. It's not about gift with me and Uno anymore and come here so dog and pressure Uno for Uno. No, bro. We have a family, bro. This now what we are do, bro. A family. Without have to say tap a scream. Give me gift. Pussy you now give me no gift. Me not laugh up and talk up with you. This is family, dog. This is how we can say, alright then. Me can go over here live and here now tell me if you tap a scream or beg me no gift or you know we create something bigger than money and every day, bro. Family, dog. That's why I really genuinely love you. I'm telling you this every day. You know? You know that we create family. Big family. We have a major family, our family big, bro. Tell them that I appreciate you, I love you know. Pray for you, but never go drive. I pray so you can prepare food for the kids every morning. You know, we have their daughter, we have their son. A roof always over on the kids' heads and food on the head. You know? I mean, I come every day, dog, to take money out of my pocket, bro. Because I have responsibility too. I mean, I wanna, dog, you know, is not a gift of family, dog. We are real family, bro. Is not a gift of family. We are real authentic family, dog. You see me? Yeah, bro. We don't know gift of family or this one. No, bro. We are solid, bro. Here is big up yourself, here is solid, dog. We are family. No, love. Love, dog. Tell them I appreciate you. I want to know good, bro. I'm sure no good. I'm telling them pray before I go to bed. Yeah. Love alone, bro. I'm going to be there and look some pussy, I know. I'm going to be there and look some pussy, I know. Chef Biggs! I'll be there and look some pussy, I know. But I really talk, bro, I just want to keep safe, bro. Keep safe. Don't make nobody couldn't comfort or come out of the zone, bro. Because I only for time when you see people come out of my zone. To adjust them. So I don't want to follow the same in my footsteps, bro. Do better than me, dog. And I really answer them and pay them the mind. We're good to go. Take care of yourself, bro.
Police! There's a car driving down the road.
Where's the police?
The police. There's a car right now.
You calling me the police?
Yeah.
So you want me to run off the car?
Yeah.
Right now the police are charged. Right now the police are probably shoot up your blood clot. You know, go on. Yo, me shoot off of you too, you better go on. The police are charged right now. Me think it's the police. Right now the police have duty. No. Right.
No. You really go get it. When you start eat food nowadays, you start seeing it real. When you see it, then I can be every day. You don't look like you. Sometimes
Shit like a rat.
shit like rat, you like to say, yo. Sometimes, when there were days when I got you, I can't manage with the cleaning. Turn on the shower yesterday. I can't manage with the cleaning.
I wasn't talking.
Yeah, when I was cleaning sometimes, I'm both like, because sometimes I use too much wipes, bro. I'm putting me in the shower, bro.
Georgia. I experience it, I can't wait.
Yeah, man, a good film for
I can't wait.
Best, bro. Best.
I can't wait. I want to experience it, I can't wait.
Best season.
Look.
Yeah, put it in the garbage.
Good film.
Mm-hmm.
But me tell you something now. Guess what? My biggest mistake. I want to tell you my fathers now. My biggest mistake is have my daughter in a hand. Never you do that, my friend. Yeah. Don't see that. Don't have your son in a hand every minute. And you see when you get little older, you will regret it. Every minute. Hand. And that me regret that. I regret have my daughter in a hand. Too much hand. I already my ball, man. I feel just low and make him ball for keep sitting to play with and sitting there. As long as you try to put him in a hand every minute, trouble. You never get him out. Trouble, man. Give me a sit.
I do you right, man.
I do right, that's the question.
Right, man, you're good before I'm here. See if you want to good, man. You just want to get a good experience. All the night time now. Night time, you know, say, alright, say, night time now, you're a night shifter. You know, a two shift, you're a day shift and a night shift. So you say, night time, you see by